Here is another tutorial for FlexMLS. The very first thing you'll do is log into your FlexMLS. You'll come to your dashboard. You're going to click on menu next to the hamburger menu here. So go ahead and click on that. We're going to scroll down under products. This may be on the left side, the middle, or the right side column, but on mine it's on the right hand side here, and we're going to click something that I've starred or favorited called Weekly Trends, Domus Analytics. Let's go ahead and click on that, Weekly Trends, Domus Analytics. If you just give it a second to load. Now what this shows you is it'll show you the weekly trends of the previous weeks. Right now, it's showing you all of Greater Lansing and what has sold. And if you click this drop-down menu, it'll show you the median sold price, average days on the market, units sold, the sold sales volume, active inventory, what's currently in the inventory, and a few other options that you can click on. I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. I just wanted to introduce it to you. If you go over here to the right-hand side where it says Show Filters, it'll turn green. Again, Show Filters, it turns green. And it's pretty tiny, but hopefully you can see here. I'm going to do an example. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck Select All because I don't want to see all of Greater Lansing. I just want to see a specific city. And I'm going to scroll down until I come to East Lansing. I'm going to click on East Lansing, and I'm going to keep all of the property types listed. So I want to include condo, townhome, multifamily, duplexes, and single-family residential property. Now, what this tells us is as of last week, there were 4 units that sold in the city of East Lansing. It tells you the week before. And if you like more detailed information, the graph in the chart down here will actually go week by week through 2020. And it'll actually even compare it up to January of 2019. I'm not going to go through that chart right now. I'm just going to kind of quickly show you this. So if you click on the drop-down menu again, let's see the median sold price for the city of Lansing last week. If you just give it a second to load, and it'll show you the median sales price, which again, it's the midpoint where it tells you where the price for half of the closed sales is higher and half is lower. And while that's loading, let's go ahead and see if we can get to the average days on the market, which shows us 61 is the average days on the market for homes, condos, and multifamily units in East Lansing. Let me go back now to the median sales price and see if it loads here. And it did, and it comes out to $274,250 was the median sold price last week. Remember, this is week by week, and it can change because it's showing you the week before that it was $245,000. And that's what I wanted to show you is just Domus Analytics weekly trends that they've added here in FlexMLS that you can have.